Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today I'm going to preview Mix 10's Boneyard Trucks Gravedigger. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is yet another short preview video. As you guys may have remembered from my Poodle video, Monster Mutt Poodle, which actually did really well. I'm very happy that people are liking the Poodle. I am doing some Mix 10 reviews before I do my official review because I have received only a portion of the Mix 10 assortment so far. Actually, the only two I've received are Poodle and this brand new Boneyard Trucks Gravedigger. But this offers me an exclusive chance to show you guys a preview of what the Boneyard Trucks will look like, and this is the first one in the series. So check out my poster video for 2020, yearbook poster video. I'll tag it at the end of the video so you guys can see the rest of the assortment for this year. It includes a brand new concept Calavera, which means skull in Spanish, and a bunch of different trucks from the Boneyard Trucks series. So this is number 1 of 5, Gravedigger. It is part of the Series 10 or Mix 10 assortment, you can see right there. And the Series 10 assortment, as I mentioned in my Monster Mutt Poodle video, has the new logos on the background of the insert card. So the Boneyard Trucks logo right there on the insert card in here. And then on the back of the box, we have the rest of the Mix 10 assortment. You guys will be able to find these starting in March. So there's Soldier Fortune Legacy Trucks, Monster Mutt Poodle, Legacy Trucks El Toro Loco, Scooby-Doo, Stone Crusher, Queen Bee, Brodozer Inverse Trucks, and the first chase piece of the year, the Ride Trucks Gravedigger. And this does include one VIP wristband for Gravedigger, and we're going to unbox this. So here we go, the Boneyard Trucks Gravedigger unboxing right now. And here it is, the first Boneyard Trucks out of the box, and this is, again, a brand new series. So the point is to show you guys the roll cage. I will show you guys the body first, but there's nothing really that outstanding about it. It's the same exact Gravedigger body as we've been receiving. It does not have the passenger side door anymore, which is a new feature of 2020 and onward. That's pretty cool. But what we want to see is underneath the body. And you might see a couple things so far right there. So let me go ahead and remove this body with a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, able to remove bodies just by doing that. And here we go. So the body won't be necessary for this review, which is a rare sight because usually it's the body that has all the detail. So there's the body, again, simple Phillips head screwdriver, just takes it off. And here is the roll cage. So this is the point of showing you guys the review, which is the roll cage itself. The black chassis and a tan rim color like the chassis itself, kind of a bone color. And that, again, is unnecessary. So all these parts here are nothing for the review. This is the big part, which is the actual roll cage. So the roll cage is actually molded as bones and a spine and a rib cage so that it looks like basically human bones for a roll cage. So that's why it's called the Boneyard Truck series. I don't know if there will be different roll cage moldings for the other trucks. I would assume probably not, because usually these kind of things are costly. We've actually only seen one other roll cage style, and that came with Time Flies and Wildflower in 2019. So this is the first roll cage change up since that time. And this is really cool. Look at all this detail that you don't see underneath the body. So here is the side panel area, which would have the door, the cage, the interior cage to protect the driver. You can see all the bones in there. The spinal cord going down the back here, or the spine itself, going down the back and up here. Then we have the shocks in these coil-over looking bones. Some more bones for the bottom part of the shocks. Kind of looks like a piece of a skull right here for this. And then the bars here are all bones. The Monster Jam logo is still there in the middle. We have a rib cage for the motor, and the headers are still the same as normal. More bones on the shocks here, and actually it looks like teeth right here on the front. So some teeth on the bottom and front of this area on the front part, and then the roof area doesn't have anything really that different. Same stuff on this side. Awesome molding, lots of detail again that's hidden underneath the body. So I'm glad to be able to show you guys this. So this is really cool. I'm enjoying the fact that they are changing it up a little bit. Instead of doing body art, they decided to do roll cage, and that's really awesome. Nothing like this has been done before previously, to my knowledge, so this is one of the first times we're seeing something like this. And again, nothing new with the actual chassis or anything else. It's all in the roll cage, and that's really cool. The screw just fell out. But anyway, here is the truck, and I will take a quick glance at the wristband. So here is the wristband for Mix 10's Gravedigger. Same exact one, if I recall correctly, which let me check. It is the same one as the Mix 9 assortment. So it is the Gravedigger wristbands. That means it has the specialized logo there, the flames, the pinstriping triangle, Monstrum logo, horizontal Gravedigger logo, and Monstrum logo again. So there's the wristband for this truck. Same one as last time. And then we have also a Mix 10 poster, which I have reviewed in the Monster My Poodle video, which basically just has Mix 10 on it. So that's pretty cool. And you guys can check out that review. I will tag the Poodle review at the end of the video as well as the poster review. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to show you guys one more thing, which is the awesome Ride Trucks Gravedigger. Cannot wait to get this one and review it. Before I sign out, I kind of wanted to show you guys the normal roll cage versus the actual Boneyard Trucks one. So you can see the difference is pretty clear. It's pretty pronounced. The roll cage on the rib part right here is definitely different on the motor. And then we have the shocks, the spine going down, just overall way more detailed, and I'm really liking the Boneyard Truck series. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment below what you guys think about the Boneyard Trucks. And until next time, this is Rider Monstrum OCD signing out.